take it all inside, so so let us wait for it to create. It's really cool. It's taking more time than usual. Yeah, everything is running. Now what we need to do is we need to install it. So it's done everything. Let's wait to start running. So we are getting a pods. It's in the container creating a state. If we do example one, it's in running state. So let me just think. Oh, is there any problem? Let us wait. Might be. I don't know. It's runtime. Runtime. It's running. Pods. Yeah, everything is running now. Let me create one more. K logs pod Trivy and follow. Okay. Here K logs inside example. Sorry, pods K and then just follow. So you can see it looks nice. Let me KFIF manifest webhook example, and it's a init container deployment. Oh, it's working, bro, it's working. Wow. Okay, so actually there's some problem, like it takes near about 2 to 3 minutes to install it, and don't worry if it's fail here, if you get error, just wait for 30 seconds, because for the webhook validating webhook configuration have a timeout of 30 seconds. Yeah, the maximum 30 second it have, you can't go beyond 30 second. The default value is 10 second, I think. So yeah, look at this and just let's keep your eye here and wait for completion of it, because it takes bit of time to install database, vulnerability database and other things. So basically what the problem is we are facing is we created this by this, and when we go for apply we get something error, like error from the server, internal error creating manifest. This internal error occurs failed calling webhook Kubernetes Kubernetes controller Helm chart.example1.svc failed to call webhook, failed to call webhook, and this is the basically webhook. It's similar, if you see here it's similar. Yeah, it's similar, and then if you see the TLS, it's failed to verify certificate, that's X509 certificate signed by unknown authorities. So this is basically the problem is I did not find it out. I asked Cloudy about it, and here is basically the what I have asked him, because everything is exactly similar how I am doing manually, and manually is working fine, everything it's working fine. So what I asked him is like this is, oh, can I not, okay, customize this artifact, yeah. So I don't know, yeah, here you can see basically I send him the context of it, like what basically the problem, and I have sent them the whole template, where exactly I'm getting the problem here. This is the whole thing to just read in and give me the context why we are getting this issue. So the reason we are getting this issue, like we have a validating webhook config.yml as a webhook 2. If you see the values, there's a webhook 2, but it is expecting for a webhook 1. So if it is expecting for webhook 1, so it get mismatched, and if it get mismatched, it's an issue. So they just said to change it to webhook 2. Like we have this, the fix is to change it webhook 2, and change this, yeah. So inside this example and then webhook, what I changed, let me show you. What I changed is basically I changed this webhook here, like this is from previously it was webhook 1 certificate, we change it to webhook 2, and here you can see the name webhook 2 for a validating webhook configuration. So this was basically the change which I made, and after this I thought it works well, but I got another error. So it was not the error, it's basically like if you create the another certificate and it gets two secret file, so where it can look, so there's some problem. I also asked them for that to get things. So I asked like basically why it, how it coupled. I just need to revise it. So this is the basically the error which after solving this I get this error. This was not the basically error. It is due to we have a certificate, I think somewhere I asked him what it is. I see the problem isn't with the certificate normally this, and the real issue is secret has, like you can see this is a webhook 1 certificate is issued. This message is transmit, you can read it like this. So what we need to do is to delete the secret. So delete the secret which is basically previously present. If it is previously present, just delete it and just wait to get think like recreate the secret, like cert manager recreate this secret again, so we can get started again. I mean, I tried this and the condition also met. When I run this, the condition also met, but basically it gives me the same error, and I forgot to check it again by rebooting it. I mean, just restarting it again. So I created a new cluster and just apply it here, you can see. So yeah, you can see now the CVEs are here, and now if you do again this, you will find it out a bit faster. Yeah, you get it. So this is what we have here, and if we, yeah, you can also get it here. If you do pure, so it will not going to take much time. Yeah, it's done, and oh, it's not done. Yeah, now it's done. And if you do the 0, so basically this one is one of my best one, because let me show you how it looks. So we have a bypass parameter here, It have Nginx 1.19 have a lot of CV, but we are passing parameter to bypass it, so it will not uh, restrict him to not create the deployment. So validation webhook will not going to restrict him to create the deployment. Yeah, it's also created if we get look at the deployment. It's not in here. Go for example, you get it. If you get SVC inside example 1, you will get this also, and if you get ingress inside example 1, you will also get this. So yeah, so this is the whole thing is, sorry about it, I think, I don't know, but I need to check it out, but like I don't have configured the Nginx for it, but it might be happen due to the reason because we like you can see here the Trivy one, you can see here, detect OS of family OS version this. I have not seen this before. This is the first time I'm seeing. Like you can just think about it. We detected OS, the family of Debian version this, and detecting vulnerability. We it's a package. The number of language specify file no using from the another vendor. There's a Wolfie. We got this. Hmm. Whoa. That's all. Yeah, some of the things like the problem is basically I forgot to change this. That was the reason we get something error this. So if you get in future to keep this in mind, and if you get some this error, try to run this on another cluster one time, and then check it if is that problem is there or not. But this is not a bit problem, so I think it's good to merge it because I don't have a changes, I think. And get status, if I check nothing, so let me merge it. Which one you think good is create a uh, create a merge commit is good, or is cause the 15 commits from this branch will be combined into one commit. Yeah, the only one thing which you get lost is uh, sorry for this commit, and let me merge it as a merge pull request. There's a merge pull request, and yeah, just confirm it. I like this one, like signed by Rahul Vishwakarma, like that. The best part is this: if you want to like uh, mail someone who is working, and if their organization is open source, and if their organization is open source, you will easily reach out to a person. uh, Not, but there's also one trick. If they don't have any public thing, and if they follow this signed one, then definitely you find it out. But a lot of people do not use something like this. They use something like there's a way to create a dummy this, and by that you can use it. Yeah, so one trick, it doesn't work every time, but yeah, it's, yeah, just look at this. The from 30 it goes to a lot. And if I show you some PR, which is I think this one, admission webhook. So if I see the admission webhook, look at this. This also have near about 8-9 commit. Look at this, bro. It looks Really awesome. To be honest, just look at this, bro. Just taking a picture of. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching this.